very quickly make insights, test hypothesis, people use Python. But then as the amount of data that they have to analyze goes up, then they start using the C++, number one.
So one of the common queries of people, which some people have asked in the Q&A too, is what programming languages are required when it comes to HFT, and what takes more precedence in terms of Python and C++?
So there are two parts. One is the research part, one is the execution. The research is basically you analyze terabytes of data and then try to find out meaningful insights. So the first part, you typically start with Python, but then as you have to scale up, you have to rely on C++ and so on. So to very quickly make insights, test hypothesis, people use Python. But then as the amount of data that they have to analyze goes up, then they start using the C++, number one. Number two, the execution part has to be, in most cases, if it's very latency sensitive, it has to be C++. So therefore, if you are looking for, and then if you are looking for roles in pure development, which is low latency connectivity to the exchanges, risk management, low latency risk management, scalability. So basically, typically, a lot of us be trading with 3-digit number of servers. So communicating across those servers or would be doing real-time backtesting using 3-digit number of servers. So real-time simulation and so on and so forth. So that communication, it's an engineering challenge, the scalability problem. So therefore, those things would happen in C++. The initial research would happen in Python. But as things scale up, probably you might have to do shift the research to C++ as well. So researchers and traders, Python. If you know C++, it's better. And pure developers, it's C++. Some of those pure developers for doing some of those, what we call, testing of their implementation and then latency analysis of their implementation, they use Python. So you could say that almost everyone eventually would need to be good in both.